Hey YouTube, Cueball here. I'm bored at home and I thought I'd have a play around with Z. So I'll bring you in and I'll show you what the plan is. Right, we're back again, as you can see. I have taken the muffler, the micron can, off the Z. But I thought, while I'm here, I've done one on the RF, why don't we do a little video what this thing sounds like without that on, and I bet it sounds loud. So that'll be a one little mini video, and then I have got another stubby on the Bandit, so I might take that off there and see if it'll fit. If not, the plan will be to get that one stubbied. So for now, let's see what this bad boy sounds like without that on. I'll just get the bike ready and I'll come back to you. Right, just going to get the key, just making sure everything's set up. Here's the keys, and let's see what she sounds like. Be prepared. Perhaps we'll put some earphones on. Right, keys in. Just going to find neutral, bit of choke, and here we go. Over rev that one. Right, there we go folks. That was a bit too loud for me. I just thought I'd see what it sounded like. Being a big 1100, it's going to give some sound off. Yeah, but I'm going to get a nice little either that's going to get stubbied or I might take the one off the Bandit. I'll do that in the next video. So this video is just a ZZR1100 1994D model sound without the muffler on. Some people like them videos, so I thought I'd put that out there. And I'll catch you for the next one. And hopefully I'll be back with a stubby on there. So I'll see you then.